Knowing your computer's revenue can provide you valuable insights and can help you in identifying market opportunities, knowing market trends, decision making strategies, and so on. Hi, my name is Harsh. Today I'm going to show you how you can track your computer's last 30 days revenue in the same way how we did previously to track their prices. So for this also we have created a simple and similar template which you will get from the link in the description. So without wasting further time, let's get started. For this you will need Helium 10. Access Helium 10. Go to Helium 10 account, click on Tools from the main menu. Navigate to Black Box. Click on Black Box within the Tools section. Please note, Black Box is primarily for product research, but it can also be used to track competitors' revenue. Use product targeting. In Black Box, select product targeting. Enter your competitor's product ASINs in the ASINs box. You can add up to 10 ASINs at a time. Click on Search. Download data. Once the search results load, click on Download the CSV file. Open the downloaded CSV file. Note, the report will include not only the ASINs you inputted, but also related products. Copy data to template. Open the CSV file and copy all the data. Paste this data into the data subsheet of our template. This sheet will serve as your data repository for tracking competitors' revenue. Understand main subsheet. Go to the main subsheet where you want to track the daily revenue. Please note, this data is not accurate. The actual revenue may vary, but the variance between all the ASINs is correct. Also make sure to add your products, Helium 10 revenue data to use it as a benchmark. Okay. Now in the column corresponding to the current date, apply the VLOOKUP formula. Now type equals to VLOOKUP and select the cell with the ASIN. Select column A to L from the data subsheet. Type 14, 0 and press enter. Drag down the formula to apply it to all ASINs. This will pull the latest data for each ASIN. Headline missing data NA. If you see NA instead of revenue, repeat the process for those specific ASINs. Copy the problematic ASIN, perform the black box search again, download the data and paste it below the previous data in the data subsheet. If NA still appears, the product may be out of stock. You can verify this by checking the listing manually. Weekly tracking recommendation. We recommend tracking competitors' revenue weekly rather than daily to capture meaningful trends without overwhelming your workflow. Set a reminder to update the data every week for consistency and accuracy. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. For more Amazon related queries or if you need any help, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.